Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 10. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet, a front loop double crochet, and a front loop single crochet. I'll be showing you how to do those in the video, but I'll also leave links down in the description below if you want to watch the videos for that. So to get started, we are going to use yarn color number 1, and we are going to chain 4. And then in the last chain from the hook, you are going to work 15 double crochets, and then you're going to join with a slip stitch and fasten off your work, and you will grab yarn color number 2. So here we are with yarn color number 2, and we're going to join where we last left off, right where the slip stitch was from the last row. And we are going to chain 1 and then work a front post double crochet. So a front post double crochet is just where you work in the post instead of the stitch. So yarn over, just like you would for a double crochet, go down and out. So you end up having the post on there and just double crochet that as normal. Then you will chain 2 and you'll work a front loop single crochet, which that just means that instead of going through both the loops, you're just going to go through the first one and pop through the center and work a single crochet and chain 2. So the repeat for this row is you'll be working a front post double crochet, then you will chain 2 and then work a front loop single crochet and then chain 2. You'll repeat that all the way around and then join with a slip stitch. You'll also fasten off your work and grab yarn color number 1. Now making sure when you do your front post that when you do your next front loop single crochet, it's not in the stitch that you work the front post. So you're kind of skipping a stitch as you go. Just take your time with it. Kind of look where your stitches are. You'll get it. I got confidence in ya. So here we are on round 3 with yarn color number 1, and we are going to be joining where we last round was fastened off, but we're going to be working in the back part of the work. So you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to work 2 double crochets each in the next 3 stitches. So what you're looking for is the back loop that did not get worked. You'll be working in that one with 2 double crochets, and then the whole entire stitch that did not get worked because of the front post double crochet. So then the repeat for this row is going to be working 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by working 2 double crochets each in the next 3 stitches. This is repeated all the way around and then joined with a slip stitch and fastened off. You will then grab yarn color number 3. So here we are, just finishing off row 3. And we're going to fasten off our yarn. So now with yarn color number 3, for round 4, we're going to join where the last round was fastened off. Then you are going to chain 1. And just like before, you're going to work a front post double crochet, just like I showed you in the first round. Well, second round. Then you will chain 3 and work a front loop single crochet. Then you will chain 3. The repeat for this row is going to be working a front post double crochet, chaining 3, and then in the next stitch working a front loop single crochet and chaining 3. That's going to be repeated all the way around, joined with a slip stitch and then fastened off, and you'll want to grab yarn color number 1. So you can really see how the pattern's coming off and turning out really cute. So just like before, for round 5, using yarn color number 1, we're going to join where we last fastened off. And we are going to be working in the back loops like we did from the previous row. You're going to chain 3, and then the next stitch you're going to work 2 double crochets. Then the repeat for this round is going to be working a double crochet in the next stitch, then working 2 double crochets in the following stitch. This is repeated all the way around, and then join with a slip stitch and fastened off, and then you will grab yarn color number 3. So here we are for round 6, and using yarn color number 3, we are going to join where the last round was fastened off, chain 1, and we're going to work a front post double crochet. Then you're going to chain 4, and then changing things up a bit, we're just working a regular single crochet in this row. Then you'll chain 4. So the repeat for this round is going to be working a front post double crochet, chaining 4, then single crocheting in the next stitch, and then chaining 4. This is repeated all the way around. You join with a slip stitch and fasten off your work. And there you go. That's how you do the Granny Square motif number 10. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.